A special booster mode can be activated with a single tap, increasing the output to an impressive 210 watts for a maximum illuminance of 98,500 lux at 1 meter. This light consistently produces accurate, daylight-balanced 5600K illumination, boasting a very high color rendering index of over 97 for true-to-life tones. Creators can fine-tune the output with seamless, flicker-free dimming from 0 to 100%, and can also utilize 9 built-in special effects for cinematic lighting. Versatile control is a major advantage, offering adjustments directly on the unit through the NEEWER smartphone application or via a 2.4 GHz wireless system. An integrated, ultra-quiet cooling fan effectively prevents overheating during long sessions without adding disruptive noise to your audio recordings. The industry-standard Bowens mount provides universal compatibility with a vast range of light modifiers, while an integrated umbrella socket further expands its versatility.